And 10 commandments gives us the confidence to read the charts, to read the behavior of charts in stock market. Hello, this is Kubal, founder and director of Kubal Sports and Education. First of all, I would love to thank Windfall Edutech Private Limited for giving us such a wonderful platform to gain and seek knowledge in stock market. Through Windfall Edutech Private Limited, I learned the importance of shorting, what are shorts and how do they work. Through Windfall Edutech Private Limited, even I learned the power of compounding. Like many of the experts in stock market like Benjamin Graham, Peter Lynch and Warren Buffett had told that the power of compounding is one of the greatest concepts in the history of the humankind. My friends, Windfall Edutech Private Limited has developed a unique concept called 10 Commandments, which is a patented technique, and 10 Commandments gives us the confidence to read the charts, to read the behavior of charts in stock market. I would love to appeal all my friends and my colleagues that whoever are eager to learn the stock market, who are eager to learn the investment in stock market, Windfall Edutech Private Limited is what you are looking for. Thank you friends, hope to join you soon.